Hey guys, and thanks again for checking out my YouTube page. Now you have to excuse the silly picture of the Chevette I have up on my screen, but it's to illustrate a point. Today's point is how to check if a car has a bad transmission. Okay? One of the ways you're going to do it, you get in the car, you start the vehicle up, you put the car into gear, make sure the AC's off, make sure the radio's off, make sure no one's talking. Put the car into gear into drive, let go of the clutch or let go of the gas a little bit and listen. If you hear a clunk or a thunk, clink goes into gear and you feel a little bit of a lurch, avoid that car. The transmission's starting to slip, guys. Now some of you may already know this. This might be 5th grade mechanic stuff here, but a lot of people don't know it. And they get suckered into buying a car with a bad transmission. And when you buy a car with a bad transmission, you're going to lose your ass on that deal. So remember, put the car into gear and listen for a thunk. Get it up to speed. If it starts to slip in any gear, it doesn't go right off the line right away, you've got a bad transmission. Avoid that car. Unless you're a master mechanic, avoid bad transmissions. They're like bad girlfriends, guys. They don't leave. You can't give them away. Okay, so avoid bad transmission cars at all costs. If the car has a thunk, better to be safe than sorry. If the car clunks when you put it in a drive, just don't buy the damn car. Steer clear of it. So there's yet another money-making tip. If you're interested in buying and flipping used cars for profit, you got to check out my site. Get one of my packages. I've got a 90-day guarantee. If you're not absolutely thrilled in doing cartwheels and making money, making a great living using my system, you get a full refund. So go ahead and check out the starter package and the Get Your Dealer's License Advanced package today on GetYourDealersLicense.com.